Probably the most exciting thing happening intellectually in a 12 to 24-month-old child is the development of language.
Most babies begin to speak their first word somewhere around their first birthday, and then you just see this in the next few months. Maybe they'll get in the next 4 months maybe like 50 words, and then thereafter there'll be what we call language explosion, where they just sort of take off, where they're learning. If you as a parent try to keep track of their words, as I did with my firstborn, you can do it for the first few months, and you can actually make a list of all the words, and you know all of them. Their first 50 words, from cookie to doggy and so on. But then they'll just take off, and sometimes there might be one day where it seemed like they said 10 new words, and you just can't possibly keep up with them. They start putting them together, of course, in phrases and sentences. And so you go from, at age 1, many children having no recognizable words, to age 2 speaking in full sentences. Now that's truly remarkable to kind of think of that kind of development.
Talking to babies a lot and reading to them long before they can hold a book or turn the pages by themselves can help in their language development. But there are other factors that may contribute to whether a child will talk earlier or later than others. Birth order is one of them.
Sometimes the youngest child in a large family learns to talk late. This is an established phenomenon because all the other kids do his talking for him. We have to understand that speaking is a tool, and it's something that we use if it makes sense to use it. And if a young child finds that life goes along quite well without speaking and without talking, because everybody will talk for him or talk for her, or do all the things that need to be done, chances are the child will take a while to learn how to speak.
The second child is probably going to be a little bit later talker. Why should I talk when my older sibling knows that means peanut butter and jelly on rye, cherry jelly, cut off the crust, please?